It's a true blessing to take care of people. One of the great satisfactions in being a spine surgeon, or really any surgeon, is that you really get to see the impact of what you do quickly. My name is Mike Russell. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Azalea Orthopedics, and I'm a subspecialist in spine surgery. I've been with the company for 21 years now, and I'm the current president of Azalea Orthopedics. I grew up in Paris, Texas, and East Texas. We had a ranch in Red River County, and with my grandfather and my father and my cousin. Right now, I have 3 children. They're all out of the house. I've got 2 girls that both just graduated from college, and my oldest, Morgan, is fixing to get married, and we're really excited about that. And then my youngest, Reed, is a sophomore at SMU now, studying computer science. There are a lot of different people that inspire us. I've got a couple of my senior partners who inspire me, Dr. John Walker, who is recently retired, and Dr. Jan Garrett, both really good surgeons, but also good people. And then, of course, my parents. I think my mom and dad and their devotion to each other, and the fact that they've been married for 54 years now. And then Jesus Christ is inspiring to me, because the truth is that you know, we are surgeons, we're doctors, we're technicians, but in the end, what we do, it doesn't compare to how Jesus can heal. And so we do our very best during surgery, and in the end, still, the body has to be healed. Well, when I'm not treating patients and not at work, you know, I enjoy downtime. One of the best places for downtime is at our ranch in Red River County, where I just enjoy coming and sitting by the fire and enjoying family, occasionally getting out and doing a little fishing, or getting on a tractor and shredding, you know, just sort of those type of things that are real relaxing and real enjoyable. And then when I'm not at the ranch, because it's a couple-hour drive to get to the ranch, I enjoy going to the golf course and playing golf with friends. Got a couple of men's groups that I'm involved with that we spend time together. The story about how I got into medicine is complex, because I actually went to school at the University of Texas in engineering. I was a chemical engineering major. In the back of my mind, I'd always considered being a physician. And then when I was in college, I had a couple of experiences where one of my cousins was involved in a bad car wreck, and then my mother was also involved in a car wreck where I spent a significant amount of time in the hospitals. And through that experience, it just kind of brought back up the idea of being a physician. And so when I finished college, I went to medical school. It was pretty clear that I was going to be a surgeon just from my you know, personality and that kind of thing. And then orthopedics was natural, because as an engineer, orthopedics has the most engineering and mechanical type things. You sort of gravitate to what within orthopedics you like, and I really like the meticulous nature of the spine plus the mechanical nature of the spine. Spine surgery in the last 20 years has been where the most innovation has been. We have really drastically improved spine surgery compared to, say, 30 years ago, with imaging, minimally invasive techniques. It was a really natural fit for me, and it's been a great blessing here in Tyler to be a spine surgeon. Azalea Orthopedics is a very unique place. A lot of people don't know this, but we're the 3rd largest orthopedic group in Texas. And it's been a very gradual, organic growth. Azalea came together maybe 25 years ago when, as I mentioned before, John Walker and Jan Garrett and others in the community who were all in private practice individually decided to join a group. And at first, there was only 7 orthopedic surgeons. We've grown over the last 20 years to 24. What sets us apart is the fact that we're all subspecialists. And by subspecializing, we have drastically improved really our care to our patients. And I think that's what makes it so special. I'm really proud of Azalea Orthopedics and how the group is just a great group. We're thriving, we're growing, and I think anybody from Shreveport to Dallas, down to Houston, and up to Tulsa, in that region, there's really no better place to come than Azalea Orthopedics in Tyler, Texas.